Hello everyone, is your total wireless hotspot not working? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple and effective fixes to get your hotspot back up and running. Let's dive in. Device setting may not be configured correctly. Weak or no mobile data signal, exceeded data threshold for hotspot usage, account issue or restrictions on the plan, temporary network outages or maintenance. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart. Press and hold either the volume button and the side button, iPhone X and later, or the top button, iPhone 8 and earlier, until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turns off, press and hold the side button, iPhone X and later, or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Fix to check hotspot settings. Check your plan included have mobile hotspot enabled on your source phone. If your phone is inactive for a long time, the hotspot might be turned off automatically. On Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Go to Hotspot and Tethering, turn off or on hotspot tethering. On Windows, open Settings, go to Internet Sharing, turn sharing on. On iOS, go to Settings, then Personal Hotspot, turn off or on. Allow others to join. Fix 3. Refresh network settings. Turning on or off airplane mode will search and connect with the strong signal in both the device. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. Fix 4. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Total Wireless Coverage Map page, scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Fix 5. Check usage. If your balance is expired, your service will be cancelled automatically after certain period of time. Ensure you have enough fund in your account. Method 1. Using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2. Using website or app. Log in to Total Wireless account using app or a website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Fix 6. Check your plan. Total Wireless offers several plans that includes hotspot data, 100 GB plan, $45 per month with auto pay, suitable for hotspot, tablet and routers. Data is deprioritized after the limit is reached. Unlimited Plus plan, $60 per month, which includes 20 GB of hotspot data, 30 GB plan $60 per month for 2 lines, which includes 10 GB of mobile hotspot data per line, 15 GB and 40 GB plans available for varying prices. Starting at $30 per month, these plans can also be used for hotspot data. Make sure you have an active one of the above plan to use hotspot. Fix 7. Reset network setting. Resetting network setting will refresh and boost the network connection in source phone and turn on hotspot. Then try connecting with the client device. For Android, go to settings, then system, then go to advanced. Reset options, tap on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset. On iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to reset, tap reset network settings, enter your passcode if prompted. Fix 8. Update APN settings manually. Try updating the APN settings manually in the source phone. For iOS device, go to settings, then go to cellular, tap on cellular data, enable LTE, add the APN with the following details: APN VZW Internet or tracephone.vz WAN P MMSC http mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms protocol IPv4 or IPv6. Leave other sections blank. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connection, go to Mobile Network, then Access Point Name, tap three-dot menu at the right corner, select Add, then go to enter the following details: name, total, APN, VZW Internet or Trace Phone, VZWENTP, MMSC, HTTP mms.vtex.com/servlet/mms, MCC 311, MNC 480, APN type default MMS supple, APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4. Leave the other section blank. Fix 9. Check mobile data. Make sure mobile data is enabled in your source phone. If it is disabled, hotspot may not work on your device. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade, tapping the mobile data icon to turn it on or off. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the cellular data icon to quickly toggle it on or off. Fix 10. Check for account status. Ensure your account is active and not suspended due to unpaid bills or other issues. Method 1. Using text message. Open Message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your number. Method 2. Using website or app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or a website. Go to Dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Fix 11. Reconfigure the Wi-Fi connection. There might be an issue with the Wi-Fi signal. Reconfiguring the Wi-Fi connections will fix the issue. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Wi-Fi. Tap the menu icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select Forget to remove the saved hotspot network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password if prompted. Your Android device will connect to the hotspot. For iOS, like iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Tap the information icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select Forget this network. Confirm you want to forget the network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password if prompted. Your iPhone or iPad will connect to the hotspot. Fix 12. More devices sharing the data. Data will be slow if you connect more devices to the hotspot. Check the number of devices connected to the network and remove unwanted one. For Android, open the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, connected devices, then go to Remove extra devices. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then go to Personal Hotspot, look for the connect to this iPhone or iPad over. The number of connected devices will be shown next to Wi-Fi and USB. Remove the unwanted devices and check again. Fix 13. Contact customer support. There might be a service issue in Total Network. If the issue persists, reach out to Total Wireless customer support at 1-866-663-3633 for assistance with your refill. You can also visit nearby store to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.